Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the quick unboxing and the hands-on with the Huawei Nova 3, the upcoming flagship smartphone from Huawei that succeeds the Huawei P20 series, and this is the new series, that's the Nova series that's coming in with two phones, the 3 and the 3E. So this is the Nova 3 that comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus resolution display, and it comes with the notch on the top. And this comes with that glass body which is standard for the Huawei and Honor smartphones, and it comes with two radiating colors on the back whenever light is projected on it, and there's a fingerprint sensor on the back. For the set of accessories inside the box, firstly this is the rubber case that you get here, or the silicone case, and then there's this SIM ejector pin. This is the 18-watt fast charger, that's the Huawei quick charge technology based charger that is given inside the box package. Then the set of earphones that come with the microphone and the button for the shortcuts. And finally there's this USB Type-C cable, which says that the phone comes with the USB Type-C connectivity. Coming back to the design of the phone, it comes with that glossy back which always gives a brilliant look to the Huawei and Honor smartphones. And there's that AI camera logo that is given on the back, which is for the dual lens camera combination, that is a 16MP plus 24MP combination that is given on the back of the phone. And the phone has 4 cameras in total, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. On the front there's a 24MP selfie camera that is supported by a 2MP camera for the depth sensing during selfies. The phone runs EMUI 8.2.0 based on the Android 8.1 Oreo, and there surely be the Android P update coming in the future. The phone has Kirin 970 processor, which was also on the Honor 10 as well as on the Huawei P20 series, which is a flagship chipset, and it offers a lot of performance. And here the variant that we are showing you here has 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. As for the security, apart from the fingerprint sensor, you also get that face unlock or the face recognition to unlock your phone. And there are a certain set of pre-installed applications that are given here. Under the camera app, what you see is a lot of modes that you can take advantage of. There's separate modes for the aperture and portrait, because for portrait there's also the AI taking place for the beautification of the face along with the portrait shots. There's also this AR lens for the different AR emojis. And these are the different modes that you see for the front facing camera as well. There's Pro mode, there's HDR, time lapse, light painting, and the monochrome camera for the rear camera, that is a 24MP camera with the f1.8 aperture. Even the primary sensors, that the 16MP one, comes with the f1.8 aperture. And for the video recording, what you see is a 4K video recording that is possible, and that is at 30 frames per second. But that does not come with stabilization. What comes with stabilization is 1080p videos that is supported by the electronic image stabilization. There's no OIS for the videos. So these are the different video recording options that you see here. There's also the different compatibility and efficiency options that you get there. And as usual, Huawei's or Honor smartphones come with a lot of features along with the fingerprint sensor themselves, so you can scroll down the notification panel, switch to the photos, and do a lot more using the fingerprint sensors there. So this was the quick unboxing and the hands-on with the smartphone, and I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions about this smartphone, do let me know, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.